So what if you can replace your HR with this AI? So I built this with Antigravity. This is basically autonomous system Agentic AI recruit.ai. So I built this system is from my end-to-end workflow. Basically, I try to rebuild again with Antigravity. So what it can do, this AI will intake the CV from the candidates, screening, scoring, and qualify the CV automatically. So how's the demo? So you just go to right here, CV intake. You can write. So for examples, I need a senior AI engineer for my company, and the job description is must have 2 or more years experience in Python, JavaScript, familiar with API integration and Slack. So what we can do next step is we just drag and drop the CV here. So I'm gonna using the dummy CV and analyze the requirements, and we will wait. Okay, we have the result here. So Bheta Maranatha is actually AI engineer. He is a freelance for a contract. We have the email, the location, and the experience. The total score is a 76 from 100. The parameter is considered. We have the scoring breakdowns, the skill match, the project complexity, and we have the explanation too right here. The score, career progression, experience, impact measurement, red flag score. And of course, this AI will generate the strength. So he is basically have a Python proficiency. He have experience in Pythons for AI agent development, API creation, and data pipeline constructions, familiar with API integrations, and experience in designing automations. And the gaps is JavaScript skill. The candidate's profile, lack of any mentions of JavaScript experience. He doesn't have any experience on JavaScript, so it's gonna be a red flags. Slack integration, lack experience in a Slack. Okay, the red flags, we have the hike, lack of JavaScript hike, no explicit Slack integration experience. And then the main feature of this AI agent is we generate the interview questions automatically. So we have 3 types of interview questions. The first is we have technical question, behavioral, and cultural fit. So as you can see here, all of these questions are generated by AI. Basically, I'm using Gemini LLM here, and these questions are related to the candidate's profile and informations. We can see. So we have the objective of these questions, addresses the critical gap in the JavaScript, validates the candidate's API integration, blah, 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 blah. Okay, perfect. So we have the candidate details, the dashboard, of course. We have the dashboard. So for examples, if I want to open this profile again, so I'm just going to the dashboard and view this candidate's profile. So let's try with another examples who not qualified with this role. Okay, we have the risky edit your CV. So basically this is the dummy CV again, and let's try to analyze requirements. Okay, nice. Here's the result. So Risky Aditya is basically a digital marketing specialist at creative agency. We have the emails, we have location, and we have the experience. Overall score is a 4 from 100. So reject, of course. The confidence is 70% of this AI. We have the scoring breakdown, the skill match, blah blah blah. Candidate lack Python and JavaScript skill. No evidence of software engineering skill. We have the explanations too and details. The project complexity, no project listed that are relevant to software engineering or API integrations. Of course, we always still write in the strength. He is strong at digital marketing experience, have 3 years experience in digital marketing, content creation, and campaign management. He has a lot of gaps because he is not AI engineer, he is digital marketing specialist. The gaps is software engineering skill, technical projects like experience, red flags, blah blah blah, perfect. And we still generate the interview questions. Okay, perfect. So let's see in the dashboard. We can see the total evaluated candidate is 2, shortlisted 1, under review 0, and rejected is 1. The shortlist rate is a 50%. We have all of this data. And if we want to see the learning report, we just click here. So basically, this data or informations is a fuel to make this AI much stronger, much better, and smarter. This data will train this agentic AI automatically. So more executions, more data, more informations will make this AI stronger, more accurate, and increase the confidence of the scoring, screening, and qualifying. We have the score distributions, average score, rejected. We have the key insight and candidate comparisons. Okay, perfect. So on the last part, we have the settings. This is I put in the Gemini API key. So the objective of this field is when you're trying to using another API key, like you want to try another model, like maybe Gemini 3.0 Pro or another model, you can just change the API key right here. You don't have to open the Antigravity and change it manually. What you can do is change your API key right here, and you can customize your scoring weight here and mass sums to 100. So when you're trying to increase the skill match to 40, so it means the total score weight is 110, and save setting it will ignore. Okay, perfect. So here is my demo. Thank you very much.